Hi and welcome back everyone. Today's topic we are gonna talk about changing states of matter. What is matter? So we can say that everything in this planet is made of matter. Yeah. Everything is made of matter. So basically, everything around you or everything around us is matter. For example, water, rocks, your mobile phone, your study table, your pencil, or even you are made of matter. So there are three states of matter. They are solid, liquid, and gas. Solid state. Solids are the states that keep their own shapes. For example, your school bag, your television, or your pencil case. Ice cube is solid as well, but when it melts, it becomes liquid. Speaking of liquids, they flow and they fill up the container you put them in. So wherever you put the water in, the water will occupy its shape. Or we can say that water follows the shape of its container. For example, when you put the water in a water bottle, the water will follow the shape of the water bottle. When you put the water in a glass, the water will follow the shape of the glass. Or even when you put the water in the bucket, the water will follow the shape of the bucket. Now let's move to the next state of matter that cannot be seen easily, but it's there all the time, like the air we inhale, which is a gas. From all this explanation, we can conclude that there are three states of matter. They are solid, liquid, and gas. Do you know that we can change one state to another? From solid to liquid and to gas. So solid can change into liquid. Liquid can change into gas. Gas can change into liquid, and liquid can change into solid. Solid to liquid is called melting. Liquid to gas is called evaporation. Gas to liquid is called condensation, and liquid to solid is called solidification. Now let's move on to the first one, melting. Melting is change of the state from solid to liquid due to the rise of the temperature. So when you put the ice cube on the table, slowly but sure, the ice cube will melt into liquid. Solidification. Solidification is the opposite of melting. So solidification happens when liquid changes into solid. For example, when you put water into the fridge, it turns out to be ice cubes. The next one, evaporation. Evaporation is when matter changes from liquid to gas after liquids are heated. For example, when we boiled water, so water will turn into water vapor. The last one, condensation. Condensation is when gas turns into liquid. It happens when matter in gas state is cooled. Have you ever noticed when we get steamy windows in the morning or steamy mirror in your bathroom? Like this? The water droplets appear when water vapor touches a cold surface. In that same moment, water vapor cools and turns into liquid. Well, now we know the state of matter and it's changing. Goodbye and see you in the next meeting. Bye!